Hi, and welcome to Albert's Voice Tech. And we're going to cover a code bagger. Code bag is, I guess it's an individual that came up with an idea to how to increase your CPU performance. Latest version, I recommend you get it. I should contact him and tell him one of my processors is telling me I have 10 gigahertz. But you can overclock it without using, it has its own software. That's CPU, that's an APU, not a PC. This is an APU I'm using here. But here, this is so grab the update. So this is for the update. So what can this do for you? Well, you'll get more stacks and specs and information about your processor. You can clean your RAM. You can have the RAM automatically. It has more features. It tells you what's going on. By out of the box, it tells you how your CPU is performing. A lot of desktops are performing in balance mode. Sometimes they have some weird mode where it's just running lousy. So I have it here, and I can right click, clean the memory, maximum performance. Now the other PC I just mentioned had a gaming feature that would pop up here. I don't see it on this. Maybe if you can overclock the CPU, another feature will pop up. But unfortunately, that's the case here. You put a lot of dedication into this. All right, so you got 32-bit CPU. You can download that. 64-bit here. Okay, it's downloaded. I have pretty fast connection. I have to pay for it. It's not cheap. Release notes. Like what we got? Ah, enhanced sensor detection for AMD medium GPUs. So they found out that it was an issue. Okay. Modified power for UI. UI stands for user interface. There's also a UX as well. It's a different type of interface. Add a collapsible notification with modified minor fixes. Yep. A lot of fixes. Hey, don't get me wrong. This is neat. You can actually over max out your CPU running at full power, but you gotta remember to put it back into balance. Otherwise, the CPU will never go to sleep. Um, this is free. I mean, I guess they have other software. It might be a work in progress too. I used to have this one. They got network sniffer. What's the network sniffer do? Download the source code. This is good for business. This is almost like Land Spy. There's a software which is still around. Because Land Spy, what Land Spy. Bless you. Land Spy, it's a packet sniffer, but it's good for businesses. I used to be in charge of administration of a business. I can't say which one. I brought Land Spy in there. Well, I had to because I was in charge of a rollout for Windows. I was my title was called Project Coordinator Manager, Issues Manager. I had a lot of power. Oh, what a great title. Paid a lot of money too. I knew somebody higher up, and that's how I got that job. You got to know somebody in the company, otherwise you're not gonna get it. We had a guy who had 3 months of IT experience, and he got promoted to project manager, but it was someplace else. I don't live where he was going. Otherwise, I would have gotten it. He was making over 100,000 a year. He had no clue about IT, but yet he got it because he, like I said, you need a brown nose. I know some people don't want to do that, but you got a brown nose if you want to get event ahead. Yeah. But like I said, That's it. But this program is one of the best I've seen so far. It works great. Okay, so I got the new version. We're gonna upgrade it. All right, so I'll get to that. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown. So the way to increase your performance is TCP/IP. That takes you out of the default settings for Microsoft Windows. Okay, you can use it on server, by the way, so you can run at full power. Another thing is WiseCare 365 and WiseCare Game Booster. Another one you can use is the Cortex Razer. They're the company that make the gaming mouse and keyboard and all that stuff. That stuff is expensive. I was looking at that as well. Okay, that's about it. Hey, thanks for listening. Oh yes, get the Cortex Razer software because it can clean up your PC. It does more than what Wise can do, but you still need Wise. So basically, I was trying to contact the Wise people and say, hey, why don't you get the Cortex features inside your application? Then when I have to use two different programs. But I don't know what's going on with them, so oh well. Okay, I gotta go. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And this is about Quick CPU. It's good. But I give this 4.5 stars. Don't forget to get the latest update. I'm out of here.